Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Geography and Earth Science Society Program Primers. My name is Sophia. My pronouns are she and her, and I'm a Sciclone on the fundraising committee.
Hi, everyone. My name is Jenny. My pronouns are she and her, and just like Sophia, I'm also a Sciclone and a part of the fundraising committee.
My name's Zach. Pronouns are he, him, and I'm a co-president of the GESS, or Geography and Earth Science Society.
Hi, I'm Rachel. My pronouns are she and her. I'm the events planner of GESS. I'm in fourth year, and I'm in biology and environmental science.
I'm also in fourth year. I'm in honors Earth and Environmental Science, the co-op program.
So for the first question, what specializations does your department offer?
Right. So there's 4 branches past first year where you either specialize in the honors Earth and Environmental Science program, the honors Environmental Science program without Earth, the honors Biology and Environmental Science program, or just a 3-year Bachelor of Science in Environmental Science.
And then there's also the GIS certificate, the new Urban Studies and Planning certificate, and then we have minors in Earth Science, Environmental Science and Society, and GIS.
Could you tell us a little bit more about what these certificates mean, like what that gets you?
Basically, the certificate just gives you your minor requirements. So for GIS, you have to do certain courses to fit the certificate, and that will help you go on to completing your APGO, which Zach will explain what your APGO is.
Right. So imagine a large organization that runs all of geoscience in Ontario. So every single school, they have different knowledge requirements, but all of us come together and say, hey, if you have your chemistry, your bio, your earth science, you put it all together, you complete your knowledge requirements, and you can become a registered certified geoscientist in Ontario.
Yeah. So what courses are taken in second year once you do choose a program?
So pretty much what earth science kids do, where they do earth history, optical crystallography, the geology of Canada. There's soils, which is very interesting, and then there's physical hydrology. And these are just the basics that allow you to understand what type of earth science student you really want to be, because people go into either hydrology and climate, oil and gas, mineral exploration, or the environmental policy kids who want to understand human impact.
And then for me, since I'm in a little bit different, I'm in a conjoined program with biology. I do a lot more biology, so I did ecology and cell bio and genetics. But then I also did geochemistry, which is basically marrying environmental science and geology with chemistry. And I did also surface climate processes, which is called Environmental Science 2CO3. And that was fun. It was just about weather. But yeah, it's kind of sort of similar to what Zach said. I took hydrology as well on top of that.
So for geography and earth science, are there still opportunities for research and co-op?
Right. So actually the geography and environmental science program got conjoined with environmental science program this year. So now we are an environmental society school. So we don't actually have a geography program anymore, pretty much. Yeah. But we do have co-op programs. We do have 2 co-op programs. We have the Earth and Environmental Science co-op program, or just the Environmental Science co-op program. Being in the co-op program, I can tell you it's an amazing experience. Lots of hands-on research allows you to get in the field before you graduate. And I met a lot of great people and some great industry connections. And it's actually kind of helped me figure out what I want to do after I graduate.
And then for me, being in the biology part, we don't have co-op, sadly, but we also have the whole other part where we are able to take a biology thesis instead of an environmental science thesis.
So what jobs can you get after obtaining this degree? So that leads kind of into what Zach was saying earlier.
Oh, right. I'm killing this. So a lot of students become geoscientists in training after they get their certification from the Professional Geoscience of Ontario. which you then have to work 5 years in training to become a registered geoscientist. And then a lot of people also become hydrologists. They work for Environment Canada. They work for mining companies or oil and gas, parks and recreation. And the possibilities are just endless. It's wherever you really find your passion and where you want to go.
Okay. Is there anything else that you'd like to add on to that?
Environmental health, different like landscape architecture or toxicologists, like that stuff, water quality. That's where I'm from. Zach does the APGO stuff.
So I guess just kind of like based on your experiences, like what is one pro and one con about each of your programs?
I got to say my pro is that just the fieldwork aspect is amazing. We have 2 fieldwork courses where we go out in the spring and the summer, and we do some core logging, practice cross sections, map geology, a lot of great important skills for us. And it's very collaborative. We work in groups. We help each other solve problems in the lab as well as in the field. It's a lot of fun.
And a con is that a lot of courses interlap, especially in biology and environmental science. I like learned the same thing maybe once or twice over, but that's okay. You get around it. It becomes easier.
Okay. Well, do you guys have anything else to add before we conclude?
I have something to add. So I'm the events planner, so I've obviously have to do a shout out. If you want to for any events or any information, even a quick DM, you can always contact us or follow us on our Instagram page. It's MAC, like MAC, and then .GSS.
We're going to do lots of movie nights, online meetings, and just we're going to try to be as collaborative as possible. And we're going to hope that, we can stay connected and stay happy, right?
Awesome. Well, I'd like to thank both of our society execs for giving us their time and helping us answer some questions about this. All right. Awesome.
Sounds good. Okay. Thank you so much again.
No
Thank you.
problem.